Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to restore the classic taskbar right-click menu options. So right now when I right-click on a item here, we can see we have the jump list, some other folders, and then some options here. Then we can close it. Same if I click on Edge, Photos, and so on. So if you want to have the old school right-click options, you could easily do so by using the Windhawk app. So Windhawk is a free app, so it works by installing mods on your computer, and then that way you could enable the mods and actually adjust the settings for some of them and kind of customize how Windows works. All right, so when you first install it, you'll have your home section here, which will show you your installed mods, some featured mods, and then you have the Explore section here where you could check out some other mods, search for them, sort them, and so on. So what we're going to be looking for is called Taskbar Classic Context Menu. So what you want to do is search for this in the search box here. And then once you find it, you just click on Details and Install, and that's all you have to do. And then it should be placed in your Home section here. All right, so now we have it here. So we're going to go to Details. You can enable it here or go to Details and enable it. This one doesn't have any settings unless you happen to be using Explorer Patcher. So we're just going to enable it. So now when we right click, you can see we have close, maximize, restore, and so on. And then for one that's not open, we can run it as administrator, open it, and unpin it. So this is a nice feature, especially if you want to use the run as administrator. Like that. And then you can see too, it won't show you your jump list anymore. But of course you could turn that off in the Windows settings. If you come here to the personalization and start and turn this off, it should kill the jump list anyways. So that's another option for you. And now you can see anything that's not open is just going to have the open, run as administrator, unpin, or check the properties. And if you don't want to use it, you could either disable it or remove it. So let's disable it. Now when we right click, we have our default Windows 11 menu here. And if we right click on an app that's not open, we'll still see our jump list, and then we can unpin it, but there's no option to run as administrator. All right, and then one other thing I'll mention, when using Windhawk, it needs to be running down here in the system tray for your mods to work. So if for some reason your mods stop working, come here and check to see if it's running. It should enable itself to start with Windows by default, so you shouldn't have to configure that manually. All right, so I will put a link in the description where you can download Windhawk, and then you just want to do a search for Taskbar Classic Context Menu in the Explore section here. Then you just install it, and that's all there is to it. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.